All right, Samantha. I think the confusing part about this uh, bottom line right here is the fingering. Okay, and it probably didn't help on your page that I had to mark so many different things to help you figure out this fingering right here. Okay, so the left hand is a piece of cake. All you're doing in your left hand is you're on D minor, which is basically a D minor arpeggio, switching to C after two measures, and switching to C, and you're going to be on that for a little while then. Okay, so the left hand is a piece of cake. Now, the most important thing, especially when I put in fingering, is always follow the direction of the notes. Okay? And you may sometimes disagree with some of the fingering that's in the book. You may disagree with some of the fingering that I actually give you. But if you notice, you're on a 4 on B. All you're doing is you keep coming all the way down to F, which makes sense because that's where your first finger is. Now, if you remember, I put a big cross right here because you're going to cross over to a C sharp, okay? Here's middle C with the line going through it. You got C sharp. You're coming up one note to D, ending on G, okay? Now, that makes sense. If you put a first finger on D, you come to a 4 on G. But the hardest part is this cross right here. So what is happening in your right hand? Okay, right here, this is middle C. There's the B. Put your fourth finger there and notice you come all the way down to your F. You're just going to do a quick cross to the second finger to the C sharp. And when you do that, bring your 1 to the D right up above it. And it makes everything fit in place right now. Then you go to a 2 on E. But now you got to go back to a 1 right where your fourth finger is. So you're going to cross under again and stretch up to the 5 on E. Okay, so once again, watch again. So you're going 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross with a 2 to the C sharp, 1 on D, 4 on G, 2 on E. Bring your 1 to the G. Stretch up to the E. Once again. Cross to the 2 on C sharp, 1 on D, 4 on G, 2 on E. Cross to the 1 on G. And you just keep coming down. Okay? Now I'm going to make a separate video for the ending tag, which is going to be the last line leading up to the arpeggio with the triplets. Okay? That's a bit hard too. All right? So we're going to do a separate video for that one.